Hey everybody, I'm doing a quick post today to show you how to add an image to a post. Very simple, very straightforward. It's going to be a quick video blog here. All we do is that we've got our post, we've already got it set up, we have our text in there, and then we've got our title, sample title, and all we're going to do is add an image. To do this, we select where we want the image to go, so I put the cursor right there at the beginning of the first paragraph. At the very top, you'll see this upload, insert, and then you've got four little icons here. The first one, if you mouse over it, it actually pops up and says add an image. It looks like a gray box within a larger box. And then you click on that, and then you'll see here, from computer, from URL, gallery, media library. I'm going to do the one that most of you are probably going to use, which is upload a file from your computer that you actually want to have in your blog post. And so we're going to select files, and then we're going to type in life after the badge. There we go. It's a website that we recently launched. I'm just doing a screenshot of it. And then you wait for it to load, and then this will come up. We have the thumbnail right here, and then we have, of course, all our data information, everything like that. The title is just a title tag that goes on the what's called an href tag. Don't worry about it. The alternative text, that's that text that pops up when you mouse over an image, and so we want it to say life after the badge screenshot. Actually, I'll even go one step further and write in web page or website. How about that? And then caption, I'm going to just type in caption text goes here, so that you'll see what it is when we actually put the image into the post. And then description text goes here. Now, normally what you want to do is that when you're writing this for search engine purposes, whatever your blog post is about, you're going to want to kind of talk about that in the description, and then you're also going to want to kind of talk about it in your caption and your alternative text. Primarily just using keywords that you have associated with your post. So like if you've got a blog post about horses, you would type in the different kinds of horse that you're talking about, maybe draft horses or whatever kind of horse you're talking about, and then put that in the description tag, and then also in your alternative text. That makes it search engine friendly because you're putting more of that keyword that you're trying to push in your text. Then we have down here a link URL. Normally default is to link to a larger version of the image that you're putting into your post, right? You can select none. You can select file URL, which is the same thing I just talked about, the link to the actual larger image, or the post URL, and that's the link, of course, to the post that you're putting it into. In this case, we're just going to select none, and then for alignment, you have none, left, center, or right. My default is right because I'm always selecting images to align to the right, but left basically puts the image on the left-hand side of the post, and then the text will flow to the right. Right, if you select right, it'll align the image to the right, and then your text will flow to the left. Center is you have the text above the image, and you have text below the image, but you don't have text around the image, but the image is centered on the blog post. And then none, it's the same kind of thing as center, kind of. It's a little bit different. Like you might have like a first line of text following the image, which works okay for very, very small images, but that's kind of it. And then you have down here your size. You have thumbnail, medium, large, and full size. Kind of think of this as small, medium, large, extra large. The pixel sizes of the images are actually underneath here. I'm trying to highlight it. The 150 by 150, the 300 by 257, and so forth. These are pixel sizes. For most of you who may not know what pixel sizes is just the way that the images are, the unit that's images are measured by. And then we're just going to select medium and insert into post. And then there you go. And what I was talking about, the caption text, a lot of themes, it depends on what theme you have. The default theme, obviously this is what it looks like. It's just got the outline, kind of a light blue gray outline here. And then the text goes beneath of it in a smaller font. And that's what the caption text is. If you don't put anything in there, this box won't show up. And as you can see, it's aligned to the right. We have the text flowing to the left. And then if we were to hit publish, we have this published here, and then we're going to go to view post so that we can check it out. We have our sample text. And then down here, where we actually have the image entered, it aligns to the right. And you see we've got the text flowing above it. We have the text flowing to the left of it because it's aligned right. And then, of course, below it. And then the caption text is available. And that's it. Alright, thanks. Bye.